If you're on the hunt for a smartphone that combines cutting-edge technology with insane specs, we've got something absolutely mind-blowing for you. Today, we're talking about the upcoming Nokia NX 5G, an absolute game-changer that might just be the most powerful smartphone we've seen in years. In this video, we're diving deep into all the features, specs, and pricing of the Nokia NX 5G, so make sure you stick with us until the end. Let's get into it. A true visual masterpiece. Let's start with the display, because, honestly, that's where this phone is going to stun you first. The Nokia NX 5G sports a massive 6.95-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display that promises stunning clarity and color reproduction. Whether you're binge-watching your favorite shows, playing intense mobile games, or just browsing through your feed, this display's 4K resolution will make everything pop like never before. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite 2 under the hood. The Nokia NX 5G is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite 2, which is currently one of the most powerful processors available in the smartphone world. Whether you're gaming, multitasking, or running demanding apps, this chipset will keep things smooth and fast. Power to keep you going. Say goodbye to battery anxiety. The Nokia NX 5G comes with a 7,500 mAh battery, which should easily last you through an entire day of heavy use, maybe even longer, depending on your usage. Whether you're watching videos, playing games, or just browsing, you won't have to worry about running out of juice halfway through the day. As for the launch date, there's no official word yet on when the phone will hit the shelves, but rumors are circulating that it'll be available sometime in late 2024. So keep an eye on Nokia's announcements, because this device will be worth the wait. So, what do you think? Would you be excited to get your hands on the Nokia NX 5G once it drops? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates. Stay tuned for more tech news, and I'll catch you in the next one.